If you have ever wondered how acupuncture works, you are in the right place. Today, I'm going to explore the main scientific reasons, explanations behind why acupuncture works. I've taken this from a scientific article that's published online that I will link in the description below. Also, I've changed a few of these scientific names of the theories just to make them easier to say and make more sense to you, but I list the real scientific names also in the description below. So number one is the minute trauma theory. And this talks about how when the acupuncture needle goes into your skin, it induces a super minute trauma, which activates the survival mechanisms in our body. So it's sending all of the good cells to that area and activating lots of good things for healing our bodies. Number two is the pain killing theory. And this says that acupuncture induces pain killing substances such as endorphins and serotonin to rush to the site of pain. Number three is the gate control theory. This is premised upon how we can control the gate so that the pain stimulus cannot reach the brain. So if you imagine there's a gate in between the point on your hand that hurts to the brain. So like in between there's a gate that we can close through acupuncture. It's stimulating the nerve fibers that are responsible for inhibiting pain. And a good example of this in an extreme scenario is an amputated limb during war. So someone gets their arm cut off and the body goes ahead and decides to shut down the pain signals to the brain because it's overwhelming, it's too much. Acupuncture is able to enact upon that in a different way. And then number four, we have the autonomous nervous system theory. So this is just stating that acupuncture calms the fight or flight nervous system and activates rest and digest. If you've ever had acupuncture, you are probably familiar with how good you feel afterwards. You just feel like your body has calmed down and relaxed, and that's exactly what we're talking about right here. Number five, we have the embryology-based theory. This one is my personal favorite. I could talk about it for a long time, and I will talk about it in a different video in and of itself because it is amazing. But this one states that acupoints and meridians are what's left of the sophisticated system that our bodies use to develop while growing as babies in the womb. Acupoints are the centers that directed further development in the growing embryo. So all those little acupoints that are scattered around our body, those little points had significance while we were developing in the womb, and we can actually still tap into their power by putting little needles in those points. And it's also the reason for why certain parts of the body have connections that don't seem intuitive. And that's because those body parts are actually developing at the same time in the womb. So it's all connected way back to the very beginning. I hope this helps bridge a bit of the gap in your head of how acupuncture works, what are the possible explanations for it. And if you're interested in this type of content, check out my other videos where I intersect more of Eastern and Western medicine. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Do it for the chickens.